Hello my friends, this is Lucy from Float Art with Macrame Elegance. Let's do a bloom. This is the 8x8. This is Liquitex Magenta. Okay, next I'm going to use Cerulean Blue by Artist Loft. Next, I'm using Pebeo Iridescent Green Blue. I think I'll use a little bit Turquoise by Liquitex. And on top, just a little bit 24 karat gold. Okay, let's torch it. Oxide black cell activator. Okay, let's blow this out. I just realized what I forgot to do. I had white paint on my canvas, but I forgot to put an extra pillow paint layer on top. So, and I think that's a little too much gold, but let's work with what we have here. You know what? Let's make more petals, huh? Why not? I normally don't. But just for the heck of it, I am. And it's probably not going to spin out too much because, like I said, I didn't have a lot of pillow paint on. So let's see how far it will spin. Well, so if you know, if you really want to keep negative space, just don't put on too much pillow paint.